Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. So today is Makeup Basket Monday. So first of all, if you are new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. And I do hope that you will decide to subscribe to my channel and become what I like to call one of my Dollar Divas. And of course, if you are returning, thank you so much for returning. Welcome back, and you know where those timestamps are. So for all of you new Dollar Divas, basically how I do my Makeup Basket Monday videos is I will kind of recap what was in my makeup basket, and I have been doing 2-week-long or bi-weekly makeup baskets these days. So I will recap what was in the makeup basket. Then I'll put up some pictures and kind of show you and explain some looks that I created using the products in my makeup basket. Then I'll share some thoughts, feelings, good, bad, or otherwise. Sometimes that's more eventful than others. Then I choose a new makeup basket for the next period of time. So if that sounds good to you, definitely keep on watching. So sometimes I like to kind of theme my makeup baskets. I don't do it often, but this last makeup basket was a completely Dollar Tree makeup edition. So yes, let's just go ahead and recap what was in my makeup basket. So I have several different little eyeshadow palettes and trios and quads and all that good stuff. So 3 of them are these LA Colors trios. This is in Lily, this is in Orchid, and this is in Sunflower. Then I had 2 of these quads. This one is in Fab 4 and this is in Rosy. Then I had the LA Colors 6-pan eyeshadow palette. This is in Beauty. Then I had the LA Colors 12-pan eyeshadow palette. This is in Trendy. So the lashes that I'm wearing, they are the only set of lashes in my makeup basket this week, are the extra long, wispy, full, dramatic, and they are the Foam Mink lashes by Ioni. For my eyebrows, I'm using this LA Colors Brow Cream Gel. This is in Deep Brown. Then I also have this little Wet n Wild single. This is in Panther. Then I've got this LA Colors Hourglass Volume Mascara just for underneath my eyelashes. Then I've got the Smoothing Face Primer by LA Colors. This is color correcting in the shade Yellow. Then this is not from the Dollar Tree, but it was $1, and it is actually from the Dollar General. It's the LA Colors Jumbo Eye Pencil. This is in Sunglasses. Then I've got 2 of these LA Colors contour sticks. One is in dark, one is in light. I've got 2 of the Wet n Wild cushion foundations that I found at the Dollar Tree some time ago. This is in Nude Beige, this is in Buff Beige. I actually have a 3rd one that is darker, and it's a little too dark for me right now. So for lash glue, I am using this LA Colors Lash Adhesive. This comes in a 2-pack for $1. So also from the Dollar Tree is this e.l.f. concealer. This is in Light Beige. For my face powder, for my setting powder, I'm using this LA Colors setting powder. This is in Light. For blush, I'm using this LA Colors Blush Single. This is in Berry Plum. For bronzer, I'm using the Beauty Benefits Hollywood little matte bronzer. So for highlighter, I'm using this LA Colors highlighter. This is in Glow Time. Now I've got a ton of lip products. I've got this e.l.f. lip liner that I also found at the Dollar Tree. It is in like a mauve. I've got a couple Hard Candy brand lip products. This is the Hard Candy Plumping Serum. This is in Birthday Suit. I get the Hard Candy Cashmere Silk Demi Matte Lip Color, and this is in Tartufo. And I've got the Hard Candy Metallic Mousse. It's a matte metallic lip color. It doesn't have a shade name on it, but it's kind of like a copper. Then I included 2 of my LA Colors Plump Glosses. The bottom one is in Shocker, the top one is in Swell. I've got 2 of the LA Colors Velvet Lip Mousses. Then I've got this LA Colors lipstick. This is in Hot Dish. And last but not least is this LA Colors Lip Duo. This is in Charmed. So now let me show you some looks that I created. So look number 1 was just a very kind of classic look. So I went into Orchid, and I went into this shade right here kind of all over. Then I put this shade here kind of on the lid and kind of up into the crease. And then on this palette here, I went ahead and put this kind of this brown here kind of into the crease and kind of towards the outer part of the eye to make it a little bit smoky. And then in this little sunflower trio, I put this lightest shade here under the brow bone. Then in this palette here, I put this lightest shimmer here kind of on the inner half of the lid. And then in this little trio, I put the lightest shimmer on the inner corner of the eye. Then on my lips, I use the Hard Candy Cashmere Silk. Then I put the Velvet Lip Mousse in Souffle kind of over that just to kind of get a really, I don't know, I just wanted to experiment and kind of mix colors. So that is what I'm wearing on my lips in this photo. Then look number 2, I totally forgot to get a picture of this look, but I did film a couple videos, so the pictures you're seeing are screenshots from the video, so please excuse that, but I did get a very pretty look, I feel. So first, in this quad called Fab 4, I put this shade here kind of all over. Then I put this shade here kind of into the crease and all over the lid. Then in the other quad called Rosy, I put this shade here on the outer part of my lid. And then back into the Fab 4 palette, I put this kind of in the middle of my lid, and I put this shade right here kind of on the inner corner. So on my lips, I used the e.l.f. lip liner, and then I used the Hard Candy Plumping Gloss. So look number 3, I actually created twice because I forgot to get a picture the first time, and I really liked the look. So I did do this look twice. So in this Rosy quad, I put this shade here all over. Then I put this shade kind of into my crease and on the outer part of my eye. Then I put this shade here kind of on the inner half of my lid. Then I used the LA Colors highlighter in Glow Time kind of under my brow bone and added the Velvet Lip Mousse in Souffle. It's kind of a bright orangey red. And then I added some red NYX glitter, which is not from the Dollar Tree, but I did want a glitter lip for this look this day. So in today's look, I tried to just kind of catch up on the palettes that I didn't really use. I used these 3 shades here kind of all over my lid. Then I concentrated this color here kind of onto the lower part of my lid, kind of like right below the crease. And then in the Lily trio, I concentrated this black kind of on the outer part of my eye. Then I put this white on the inner corner and a little bit on the inner half of my eye, as well as my brow bone. Then on my lips, I'm wearing the e.l.f. lip liner and the Hard Candy Cashmere Silk lip color. So what are my feelings about this makeup basket? Again, I am always pleasantly surprised by Dollar Tree makeup. I like every look that I created. The shadows were all easy to work with. I love the lashes. I kind of am falling in love with the eyebrow product. It used to be that brow cream gel was a little hard for me to work with because it's so creamy and it's really very good. And so I really was able to work with it better this time around. I love all the lip products. I think I used a good portion of the ones that I put in there. Like I said, I used all the eyeshadows. The eye crayon is really good. And then of course, I'm really liking the Wet n Wild Cushion Foundation. The e.l.f. concealer is a very light coverage, but I do like a light coverage kind of a concealer. And of course, I love that highlighter, I love that blush, and I love that bronzer. So everything is all good there. The eyelash glue works really well. Of course, it's a tiny container. You know, I guess each of those vials is 50 cents a piece because it's a 2-pack. And it's tiny and a little difficult to work with, but the lash glue works great. Every bit as good as Ardell or Kiss or Duo. So yeah, this setting powder here with the clear cap is my favorite setting powder that I've tried from the Dollar Tree so far. So I love this stuff. The contour sticks, a lot of people don't really care for them. I personally like them. I mean, they do break, like mine are broken, you know, in there, but I just put it back in and just keep it low and use it. And I use the dark kind of up here, and then I make a line here, and then I put it under my chin and I blend it with like a foundation brush these days. And then I use the light contour on my jaw. The light contour can even double as a concealer, which I love. So I've always really liked those contour sticks, even though a lot of people seem to not like them, especially for $1 a piece. So that's been really good. So yeah, this is a really good makeup basket. A lot of these products from the Dollar Tree that I have in this makeup basket are ones that I really like. I kind of knew what I was getting into with all of these Dollar Tree products. I guess you could say they weren't really new products for me, so I knew that they were really good products overall. So yeah, a very successful Dollar Tree makeup basket. And I will have my entire Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist linked down below. So definitely check out that playlist and binge watch those videos if you love Dollar Tree oriented makeup videos and haul videos and all that good stuff. So now I'm gonna show you what I picked for my next makeup basket. And again, this is gonna be another 2-week makeup basket, which means there will be no makeup basket Monday video next Monday, but there will be the week after after, so 2 weeks from today. So let's just dive right into it. So this is kind of another themed makeup basket, and basically it's a bunch of new products for the most part. I have a lot of new makeup that I haven't gotten a chance to like film videos with or anything like that. So I just decided to like dump a lot of it into a makeup basket. There's a couple things that aren't new because I didn't have anything new in that category, but a lot of it is new, so I'm very, very, very excited. So for my palettes, I've got two. I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Riviera palette. This is new for me. I found this at TJ Maxx. I will link that haul down below as well as up here in the cards. But yeah, I'm really excited to work with this palette. It's very pretty, so got that in this week. I got the Urban Decay Stoned Vibes gift set, and it came with this mini version of the Stoned Vibes palette. And I don't think these colors are in the bigger palette, but I thought this was really pretty, so I'm putting that in there as well. So very excited to work with these. For my lashes, I'm gonna include the ones that I'm wearing just in case. And I say just in case because I have had these forever. I have been hanging on to them forever. I have been meaning to use them and try them forever, but I have not. So they're gonna go into this makeup basket, and they're the Kiss Magnetic Lashes and Liner. But yeah, I have the magnetic liner that is supposed to help them stay on. And then I got these are apparently faux mink, and they're in the style Crowd Pleaser. So yeah, I will try these and I will definitely tell you what I think. So yeah, I'm excited to finally try these. I literally probably bought these in like March or February. So yeah, you will definitely be hearing my thoughts and opinions next Makeup Basket Monday. And then I bought this again about a month ago or so. It's the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is in Rock and Rose, and I have not used this yet, so it's about time that I do. And I just thought it was really, really, really pretty. It looks kind of duochromy, so I'm really excited. Then for eyebrows, I'm gonna use the AOA Studio Sculpting Brow Pencil. I do not remember what shade this is in. For liquid liner, I've got the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof liquid liner in black. Then this is another new product for me. It's the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in 0. So it's a black eyeliner. This came with the mini palette. Then I've got these three LA Girl Shockwave Neon Liners. So just in case I want to add a little pop of color. Then I've got this eyeliner that I have not used yet. That's by Mally. It's the Eye Color Starlight Waterproof Liner. This is in Ice Blue. Then I'm gonna add in my Aero Enhance highlighting eye pencil. Again, trying to use it up. Then another new product, I'm gonna use this Revolution Conceal and Fix in Light Sand. This is the Ultimate Coverage Concealer. So I'm gonna be using this. And this, since this has salicylic acid in it, it'd probably be really good for this little spot that I have on my face that was nothing, and I made it something by picking at it. Don't do that. And then trying to use it up, this is the Rimmel Lasting Finish Concealer. So for my face products, I've got two new products that I'm wanting to try. And since I'm unsure and I've got two of them, I'm gonna just put them both in there just in case one's a disaster. So I found this at the Dollar Tree. This is the Flower Beauty Face the World Tinted Moisturizer. This is the shade TM6. Then also from the Dollar Tree, I've got the LA Colors Matte Liquid Foundation. This is in Nude. Another new product for eyes, this is something that I found at Ulta. It's this LA Colors kind of glittery eyeshadow thing, and it's in the shade Hollow Glam. It's kind of a bluish, purplish, iridescent glitter. So I got it on sale. We'll kind of see what it looks like. And then these products are fairly new. You've seen them before, and I have used them, but they are on the newer side, so I'm gonna put them in my makeup basket. It's this Too Faced Natural Lust Bronzer. And it's so, so pretty. Doesn't look like it, but I have used it once. So that is gonna be my bronzer. Then I'm gonna use the Urban Decay Naked Illuminated. This is in Aura. I found both of these recently at TJ Maxx. Of course, along with the Riviera palette. Since it is kind of like my newest blush that I have, I'm gonna go with the NARS Orgasm X blush. And then this is probably like my newest contour product that I have. It's just the Believe Beauty dual-ended contour stick. This is in light. You have seen this on my channel before. And I'm gonna use the LA Colors loose powder. This is in light. Then for lip liner, I'm gonna use the Rimmel Lasting Finish 1000 Kisses lip liner in Coffee Bean. And then all of my lip products are new, or things that I have not used yet. So I get the Too Faced Melted Matte in Gingerbread Man, and I actually have this in Gingerbread Girl. So I found this at Marshall's some time ago. It's slightly different than the other one. I think it's a little brighter, a little bit more kind of orangey. So yeah, so I'm gonna put that in there for sure. Then something I found recently at TJ Maxx is the Urban Decay Heat Lip Plumper. I get the AOA Studio Wonder Metal Liquid Lipstick. This is in Naughty. I actually bought this when I did my Shop Miss A haul a few months back and have not used it yet. Then this I bought at Big Lots. It is a Revlon matte lipstick. It is in the shade 057 Power Move. One of my all-time favorite Revlon lipsticks is the shade Fire and Ice. Just an old school favorite of mine. Ooh, that's a pretty shade. Really pretty. And then last but not least, it's this e.l.f. lipstick that I found at the Dollar Tree some time ago. It's in the shade Flirtatious, and it's kind of like a pinkish shade. So I'm excited to try out a lot of these new products, and especially the lashes. I'm very eager to try the lashes because I've never tried magnetic lashes before, and I don't know, I'm a little nervous. But yeah, so I'm excited to try the new palettes and the new lip colors and all that good stuff. So I'm very excited about this makeup basket, as I usually always am. So like I said, I will have my Makeup Basket Monday playlist linked down below so you can check that out. And I will also have my Dollar Tree makeup and haul playlist linked down below, so definitely check those videos out too if you love Dollar Tree oriented makeup videos. And again, if you made it this far and you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel and become one of my Dollar Divas. Hit that bell notification as well, that way you always know when an upload goes up. I do post on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, usually in the evenings. Also give me a follow on Instagram, and show me you like this video by hitting the like button and dropping a comment. Have you ever tried any of these products? Definitely let me know down in the comments section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.